Good morning, student of class 4th. Today I am going to make revise SST chapter 3rd exercise multiple choice question. Take the correct answer. A small wet patch of fertile land is called ऑप्शन है आपका ओएसिस. The desert lies to the west of the third desert lies to the west of Aravalli. The chief means of transport in desert is camel. The pink city, गुलाबी शहर, also the capital of Rajasthan is Jaipur. The only river flowing in the desert is desert में बहने वाली एकमात्र नदी लूनी. Fill in the blanks. A desert region has extreme temperature. The shape and location of dunes keep on changing. Third, a large part of Thar desert lies to the state of Rajasthan. Fourth, camel's hair is used to make clothes and its skin is used to make tent. Fifth, the nomads of the Thar desert are called Banjara. Match the column. Indira Gandhi Canal, River Satluj, sand dunes, मैच करेंगे शेप एंड साइज. कैमल, शिप ऑफ द डेजर्ट. मेंस वियर, धोती, कुर्ता, टर्बन. वुमन वियर, घाघरा, चोली एंड ओढ़नी. Good morning, student of class 4th. Today I am going to teach you SST word meaning chapter 3rd Indian desert. Arid, dry. Evaporation, the process of turning from liquid into water vapor. Landscape, scenery. Extreme, reaching high degree. Sparse, not dense. Tropical, extremely hot. Continent, mainland. Extends, make longer. Stretch, to spread. Gravel, water or pebbles. Dunes, amount of sand. Remain, stay. Scattered, to disperse. Thorny, full of thorn, कांटेदार. Domestic, belonging to the household, घरेलू. Rear, to raise, पालना. Patches, piece of ground. Padded, to furnished with a pad. Oasis, a fertile spot in desert. Tourist, it means visitor. visitor, visitor. कल्टीवेबल टीलेबल जोतने योग्य, अरेंज टू पुट इन ऑर्डर, अब्रॉड फॉरेन कंट्री, ऐड टू हेल्प, वैरायटी डाइवर्सिटी विभिन्नता, now you have to study question answer chapter 3 Indian desert. Describe the climate of the great Indian desert in 3 points. The desert region remain hot and dry throughout the year. There is little or no rainfall during summer. The days are very hot and the nights are pleasant. During winter, the days are warm and the nights are cold. Second question, why do you think crops are grown near an oasis? Because there is water nearby and the land around it is fertile. Third question, how can you say that Rajasthan is a colorful state? Answer, most of the houses and forts are painted with same color and the people wear colorful clothes, so it can be said that Rajasthan is a colorful state. Explain the importance of desert in 3-4 points. Desert sand may help to reduce global warming. Arid conditions are ideal for preserving human artifacts and remains. The dry condition of deserts help to promote the formation and concentration of important minerals. Right to regions to show that people in the desert region lead a nomadic life. Answer, people do not live permanently at one place. First reason, the occupation of the people in desert is to rear sheep, goat, camel and cattle. That is not possible at one place in desert region.